And when you look at the price of oil, so OPEC and Russia will meet to review their production cuts in St. Petersburg next week. What do you think will come out of it?
I think that we'll strike another agreement to continue to curb production after in the next few weeks, because they have no alternative. They might even decide to curb more production, to decrease more production in order to try to push prices at a level in excess of $50, which is a kind of minimum that they would accept. So I believe that inventories will decrease only if production will decrease. Otherwise, inventories are going to stay fairly high.
But how much production can decrease? Is there a will? The market has changed, right? Since you were kind of, following OPEC, and I don't know how closely at the time you were following OPEC, but it seems that there's a will. If you see Saudi Arabia and Russia come together, there's a will to keep control of things, but it's all about the oil rigs in the States. So they've effectively lost control of the market.
Well, the good news is that the good news for them is that Russia and OPEC are now linked with a pact, which was not the case only a few years ago. So that's the good news. The bad news is that the marginal price of oil is the shale oil production in the US. Now, if we had met 2 years ago, I would have told you that the marginal price of shale oil in America was $65. Now I'm telling you it's $50. And maybe if we meet 2 years from now, we'll tell you $40. So this is the game changer for everybody, which has been the reason of unity for OPEC and the unity between OPEC and Russia.
Will they succeed?
I think they will succeed, but I believe for the next 12 months or 24 months, I would be surprised to see an oil price in excess of $50, $53, $55.